What's going on?
Video!
Well,
Yeah, so took the whipped cream from Thanksgiving pie.
come here.
Let me move the hair in my face at least.
Okay, ready?
No. I look like a person with rabies.
What's on your floor?
We have to eat that, you know. Oh, show me what am I gonna mess? Come on.
Well. I feel like I've cum on my face.
It looks like it.
Look who's
What
talking.
What have we been up to?
Oh shit. Damn, I told you, you and Kyle, no, can't do this shit. Damn.
That's not what you said last Friday.
That is what I said last Friday. Ew, you gotta know my jacket. So hard.
It's melting.
What is?
Here, it's melting. Let's go freeze it. I'm gonna use it again. Oh my god.
Well, that's just.
It's everywhere.
That's what she said last night.
That's what my appraisal says.
No. Alright.
Look at this. Oh my god. That's my boyfriend gonna say about this. Party!
No, you make a lot. It makes a lot of cum. Are you eating the furries?
Okay, so I got clean.
Well.
Okay.